Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a free event on Eventbrite. Here's how to create a free event on Eventbrite. The first thing you need to do is to go to Eventbrite's website at eventbrite.com and log into your account. Once logged in on the Eventbrite homepage, go ahead and locate the Create an Event button with a plus icon at the top corner of the screen, which we have in here. Now click on Create an Event to begin setting up your event. Now you'll be taken to the event creation page. After you have selected either you want to start from scratch or create my event faster with AI. So let's go ahead and click on Start from Scratch to start the process step by step. And you'll be taken to the event creation page, which we have in here. So the first thing that you do is to begin by filling out the basic information. The first thing is the event title. So you can upload the photos of your event first, upload videos or photos before heading over to event title. So the event title, enter a title that clearly describes your event, and location, select if it is an online event or is physical location if it is in person. So just go ahead and enter the location. So now this location, just enter the venue or online event or to be announced. Go ahead and fill out those and enter the date, and that's the start time and the end time for this specific event. Then you also need to enter the event type and category, of course, after entering your overview. So in the overview section, use section to provide more details about your event. You can include things to know, venue information, accessibility options, anything that will help people know what to expect. Then you can also add frequently asked questions and add more sections to your page if you need more. So once you're done filling out all of this information, go ahead and click on Save and Continue. And that's going to take you into the Add Tickets page. In the ticket section, you can create your ticket types. So click on Create Tickets and select Free as the ticket type. I don't have an event I want to create. Well, let's see. Okay. Let's just put in something. I can just click on Suggest Summary for something to generate. Just generate it. So I'm just going to do online. I don't have frequently asked questions, so I'm going to click on Save and Continue. So the next window is the ticket section. Okay, your virtual venue is for you. Get started. Okay, add a live video or audio section. Just continue to the next. Share additional information. Okay, add tickets. I'm just very specific about the add tickets. Just click on Add Ticket. Now over here where you have these ticket types, you have paid ticket, you have free, you have donation. Now select free as the ticket type. Then over here in this form, enter the ticket name, general admission. You can say paid, this is free. Now the ticket name, general admission. Then of course, enter the content available quantity and other relevant information in here, and just hit save once you've set up your free ticket. Now, once you click on that, Eventbrite allows additional customization under settings or advanced option if needed, including privacy settings, restrictions, and organizer content information if you want that under advanced settings. So in the event image section, you can upload an image that presents or represents your event to make it more visually appealing. And once all details are completed, go ahead and click on the publish button, which is here at this corner of the page, the top corner, to make your event go live. And if you are not ready to publish, you can just click save draft to work on the event much later. Now, after publishing, Eventbrite will provide a unique link to your event page. So share this link with potential attendees to allow them to register for the free event. And your free event is now live on Eventbrite, and attendees can register without any cost. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.